What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This video is another RC video. I had my Revo 2.0 out earlier today. I took it to a really awesome park, as you guys are going to see here in the beginning of the video. And I took my ramp and everything. I was all ready to go, and I did one jump, and it broke. One of the plastic things on the toe link, on the shock toe link on the back, was stripped out, and it popped out of there real quick. So I only ended up doing one jump. You guys are going to see the video here in a minute. I only ended up doing one jump, and it broke. So I brought it home and fixed it. And I didn't feel like getting back out, so I just finished up the video here out front of my house. Put my ramp out there, and I was just giving it a quick test run. See how I was going to put up with it. I ended up bending the drive shafts. Not really anything too major. They're metal, so I can bend them back. But yeah, this is another RC video. It's about my Revo 2.0. I had my ramp out doing some tricks. It was a lot of fun. I love the tires, the belted Proline tires, the trenchers. They're awesome. They're amazing. They're a little pricey, but they're worth it. They're good durability, and they don't balloon up and stuff. It makes it real nice. They work great on the Revo 2.0. I recommend them. I like them. I like them a lot. But anyway, let's get to that footage. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe, and if you enjoy this kind of content, leave me a comment and a like, and let's boost this channel up and do some amazing things. So here you go. Check out this footage, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Here we go, guys. Let's have some fun. Let's see if it'll drive off this picnic table. Woohoo! Woo! Man, did I break it already? Sure looks like it. I did. Dang, how? Ooh. Huh, that was pretty cool. It didn't even hit it. Thankfully, I put my arm out. I know. Yeah, I bent a drive shaft. Look at that, guys. Bent drive shaft. Oh, come on.
Oh my God, he's jumping over.
Well, it landed nice, but it didn't sound good. Sound like it snapped something. I don't see nothing broke though. Ooh. Oh, now both drive shafts are bent. Look, guys, I got two bent drive shafts. Dang. Oh well, good thing they're metal. I can just straighten them out. Hammer them straight. Alright guys, that's gonna do it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun playing with it. I really want to do bigger things and like right now, like I told you guys in a previous video, if this channel was succeeding, I'd be in Louisiana helping people, getting drone footage, and just trying to bring some positivity into people's lives that are struggling right now. There's a lot of crazy stuff going on across America, and I don't get political. I don't want to get involved in politics, and I just like to have fun, spread positivity, and help people have more happiness in their life, and help people. You know, like I said, if I was able to do it, and and this channel was succeeding, I would be in Louisiana, handing out tarps, helping people rebuild, hauling off trash, take some RC cars and let people play and take their mind off of stuff. That's my mission, is just to spread positivity and happiness. Anyway, guys, that's enough of me rambling. I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you guys, and don't forget, if you're not subscribed, hit that button. Let's do some amazing things. I promise you guys, when we get this channel succeeding, you're gonna see some epic stuff on this channel. So stay tuned.